Hello everyone. So today we want to know how to write an easy freshest numbers writing. So around and around just an O. That's the way we make a zero. Right now? Start at the top and drag it down. That's the way we make a one. Then half a heart, but you were not through. A one to the right. Now there's the numbers of two. Around and around just like a B. That's the way we make a 3. It looks like B, no? Okay. Make a L. Add a stick man to make a 4. Very easy. Then the number 5. Short neck, belly fat. Numbers 5 is ready here. Then down we go and make a loop. Number 6 makes a hoop. A straight line to the right, then slide down to the left. That's we make a number 7. Make an S like a snake. Look back after make an 8. So make an oval and round curved line. That's the way we make number 9. Thank you.